Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create easy happy 2020 New Year card in Adobe Illustrator. Use type tool to type number 20. Font Bows 93. Font size 400 point. Go to type menu and create outline. Shift Ctrl O. Ungroup. Shift Ctrl G. Select shapes and apply vertical align bottom from align panel. Shift F7. Use direct selection tool shortcut A to edit shape. Select shapes and use shape builder tool to manage the shape with Alt key. Group Ctrl G. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Draw different colors box shape. Color 1 R247, G147, B30. Color 2 R237, G28, B36. Color 3 R41, G171, B226. Color 4 R102, G42, B145. Place numbers over the colors box shape. Group Ctrl G. Draw a shape to manage the shape. Select shape and right click and arrange and send to back. Select both shapes and click on minus front from Pathfinder panel. Shift Ctrl F9. Copy Ctrl C. Give white fill color. Paste in front Ctrl F. Move shape little left and bottom. Select shapes and apply Unite from Pathfinder panel. Use Adapter tool to pick graded fill color. Left side graded ladder color R255, G84, B208. Right side graded shader color R153, G42, B255. Select white color number, shape and go to effect menu and stylize and drop shadow. Opacity 50% and X offset 5 pixel and Y offset 5 pixel and blur 4 pixel. Finally, your Vector Happy 2020 New Year card is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create greeting card background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.